put them through the both one. And
you put them through both of them, and then this one right here, you put them, you spread them open, and you put them through that one, and then you pull it. Is that good right there?
Yep, that's good.
And then there's a button over here so this thing won't flap.
Okay.
See, mine's the exact same as yours, but all right. This is gonna be a nightmare. This is the first time I ever put a passenger on this thing. All right, get on. Get on. Oh, shit. We probably look hilarious right now. You gotta hang on. This isn't that bad. This is the first time I've ever had a passenger, and I'm an idiot. I didn't wear my gloves, but I feel kind of comfortable right now. And this is her first time being on the back with me, and so it's a little bit nerve-wracking, but it's also kind of hilarious because we never would have thought that we would have a motorcycle since we've been dating or anything like that. So that's why we keep kind of laughing at each other the whole time. But this video might end a little bit abruptly, mainly because we're just going to enjoy the ride with each other and chill and not really have a camera rolling. And so we can focus time on each other than making a stupid video, you know, to put up on the internet. I think a lot of content creators lack that perspective in life. So yeah, we're going to go over the dam and just ride around for a minute, and then I want to shut off the recording. All right, we got to start braking a little bit earlier. We're trying to stay away from the rain a little bit. It was drizzling for a minute, but it wasn't really too bad or anything. It's actually super nice outside. It's not too chilly, and it's fairly warm. And we're going to go to a little private island that it's a company owns it. If you work for the company, you can purchase like a membership for nothing. It's called Pine Island, and you can just go out and chill for the day, relax, and do lazy things. So we'll go over there, and we might go and grab a drink or something like that, but just seeing how it all goes, especially with this pollen out right now. The pollen's pretty terrible. Luckily it got washed away a little bit yesterday, and we're hoping this week it will get washed up a little bit more. But my main focus is a little bit less on the talking and more on braking and not stalling out on the bike with somebody on the back. This thing still cooks it with another passenger. It's pretty great. I want to slow down right here and see if we can keep pushing it. There we go. Let's see if we can hit 45 right here. I haven't really gone this fast yet with her on here. Yeah, we're hitting it. We're cooking it. There we go. We're breaking the speed limit. With two people on the this is funny as crap. She's actually got a pretty sweet helmet, not gonna lie. We both ended up pretty much getting the same helmet. Hers is a little bit different. It's actually nicer than the one I have, but it was on sale, so why not go ahead and get it? I think that's an important thing with safety too, is making sure you get a helmet that fits you perfectly, because if not, you can really be screwing yourself if you do get in an accident or something like that. And I made her go with me to a cycle shop, and both of us got fitted correctly for helmets. And I think we had the same brand, it's just a different style, I guess. Hers is white, mine's black. So fun fact about my girlfriend, I think I said it in one video, she's actually from Shanghai, China, and her and her parents moved here whenever, I think she was either 15 or 14 or something like that, and she went to high school, and she's wrapping up med school now. Her dad actually had a little, I think a moped or a motorcycle in China, so this is a little bit nostalgic for her. It's also been kind of funny because her parents don't speak any English at all, so I've been having to learn basic Mandarin to be able to talk to them and stuff like that. So I know a little bit of Chinese. I can say ni hao, Hua Jiao Tanner, 我很好, Nina. I know basic Mandarin. Oh, go, 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 go! You hear it? It's puttering. But yeah, it's been pretty interesting with her parents and stuff and her cousins. Like I said, we were supposed to go to China, but the whole coronavirus outbreak happened, and I was going to meet like her extended family and stuff, which would have been a super interesting experience. That probably would have been the first white guy they may have ever had in their apartment. All right, let's see if we can just straight up. There we go. Make a left-hand turn. It's difficult turning with somebody on the back, but you'll just kind of get used to it. It's not that bad though. It's pointing over to the left. That's where the lake is, so we're getting close. These houses are super nice. Really nice houses. So we are approaching the little island. We might not be able to get in. No, it's open right there. We can get on the bridge right here. We can't get on the actual island though, because the sign, you know, members only, private property. So we'll end the video here. Me and my girlfriend are going to enjoy the evening, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.